Hi, my name's Oriana Bretschker. I'm the CEO and founder at Aquacycl, and welcome to Wastewater Wednesday. So today we're going to dive a little bit deeper into digitalization, and specifically how our systems are digitalized to mitigate risk for our clients. So let's first start off with the uniqueness of our technology, the bioelectrochemical treatment technology. So this is actually a signal that's generated by microbes, the signal that allows us to understand the health and performance of every single system that we have in the field. Now, how does this work? As you might have heard from us before, the BETT reactors utilize naturally existing bacteria. The reactor creates an environment to select for bacteria that have the capacity to generate DC power at the same time that they're removing pollutants from the water. Now, this DC power generation is a biological reaction that's related directly to how these microbes respire or how they breathe. And in their breathing process, they have to get rid of electrons. And so we capture those electrons on the surfaces where those bacteria live inside our reactor. And then we send those electrons across a circuit, which generates that DC signal. Now we're getting a 30-second reading, right? Every 30 seconds, we're seeing what that signal looks like across every single reactor that we have in our systems. And that tells us the health and performance of the biology, and specifically, how are the treatment rates doing? Now we integrate all of those electrical signals into our existing database of information, where we're pulling from our sensors to measure flow, to measure pH, to measure pressure, to measure levels in all of our tanks, as well as the effluent quality coming in, so how polluted is the water, and going out, how well did we do the treatment, right? So we get all of that data in real time, first on a local server. Then we send everything up to the cloud. We have algorithms that are naturally sifting through all of these data sets and telling us, okay, what's actually out of spec? Is the tank level too low or too high? Do we have too much pressure in the system? Is the flow too fast or too slow? And then we get alerts based on that information. So our service team is on their phone, and they get a text, a phone call, an email, telling us exactly what's happening in that system. Most of the time, the team can log in through their phone and troubleshoot what's going on, and maybe even fix it. However, if this requires a site visit, we know immediately, and our team member goes and responds within a few hours, and we're able to fix issues before they become real problems in production. So all of this information, all of the digitization that we've built in, helps not only us understand what's happening in our processes, but mitigates risk for all of our clients. Learn more about how we do this at aquacycl.com.